Menteri Bapet Yakatanat Puli Puthi Rakam Sangma Mentakasngi Ula Ong ki MLA kan thop yung nong yelam kaliang persya haka yeng dor par thawan ke jela bakila ban penankam naka skhim MLA naka benta ban maramot yaki yeng skul ki bala jatra thai haka jaka ban kentho ni wat daw yaka sarkar Menteri ula anuk saro daga baong bawat mau daladehi ula dap ban pa maramot hi hadu South Santali ki skul adhang kumju ki skul SSE haka constituency lejong daga ba penankam naka skhim MLA kata daga ba mang arlak tingka ko wika skul Lada paro ki MLA ki shim yaka senjam ban pa shna ni maramot lakumno kumno sanpo tali ki skul man usnem kan long ka jingiram ka bakraw naka benta man kentiu yaki jaka puli haka jela ula ong habakran mat kilat pathai kubor haka wei pat kaliang menteri ure thuru yaki jingi ki bapun baka jela ka kendo da ka baong bajan san pho% naki khat saw hajar tali ki yeng skul ki dei badan kam ban maraman wang ru badai hakini ki khendiat snem bala dam hapo ka jingalam jong menteri rangba konrad ke sangma bala shim ya ka rai ba baro ki yeng school lower primary jong ka sarkar dei ban maramat no bat kinyo ru ya ka yeng school thamai dan ki jaka bala depshna ba dan pan ki badang shna ulaong shushu uong ru bakam long satya kakam ka basok na markidan hado khasaw hajar tali ki yeng skul ha ka ba nakini tang kumba lai hajar saw hajar tali ki dei ki bla dep maramat kat ba ki badang sa ban pen bha ki dan sa kumba nriu pho nyo pho%
Honorable LO from the former chief minister, you should do more to see of this kind. There are many more like this. Because what happened is, in the last, because when he himself was the chief minister, during those times, look, during his times, no schools was built. My father is a government primary teacher. No government LP school was built during his time. Nobody cares, it looks like. So therefore, but last 4-5 years under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, government has decided that to build as much as possible. All the government LP school will be renovated, will be built, will be given a new building, and it has happened also, and it is on the process. And many yes, still many adults and many SSS schools are still there. It is not easy because there are about 14,000 schools building, right? It's not easy. We just reached up to 3,000 to 4,000 till today. Another 70% is still there, inclusive of all, right? So there are many. So I would request not only the government, let's not wait. For me, in the last MLA scheme, I have renovated 45 numbers of ADO and the SSA schools under my constituency from my local area development fund at the cost of 2 lakhs each. 45 numbers of ADO and the SSA schools under Rawara Sijuk constituencies. If every MLAs decide to renovate or construct at least 50 numbers of schools every year, I mean, we could have done it 15 to 60, how many? But yeah, therefore,
so are you calling up the legislators?
I would also request, beginnings from Honorable LO, to kindly utilize his SRWP fund maximum to the maximum, and instead of blaming somebody, let's inspire. Let his testimony be. Don't like. We should not blame anybody. He should preach what he practiced. Therefore, yes, now Honorable LO, I think he might be disturbed today by seeing all this happening, because during his time he also not done much. Right? It is the testimony what he has done in last 8 years during when he was the chief minister. Yes, today, yes, our chief minister is doing all out to complete the exercise. It is not easy. It is not easy. If we are on the process and we are going ahead, but therefore coming out like this, blaming something against the government, also he should also think that he should also, rather instead of blaming, he should also like preach what he practice.